Art journaling is a form of creative self-care to boost your personal happiness. Art journaling is a place to record your thoughts, memories, and emotions through images, art, and words. It helps you to overcome the obstacles in your mind and allows you to vent your heart out. It also helps reduce stress, boost self-awareness, and practice mindfulness. One of the best decisions of my life was to start drawing again, but this time it was not just random scribbling. As I started focusing on the process itself became meditative. It started bringing the best and the worst in me. It became my peace in the chaos. It became a way of living that changed my life. You can take your time and deal with the emotion while practicing art. So, I urge you to pick up that pen and those colors and start drawing again. And let the art heal you one day at a time. Remember one thing, it's not important how beautiful the art looks. It's all about how the process made you feel. If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.